Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish. I'm cleaning my nails with ethanol. I'm cleaning the edges as well. This helps nail art last long. I'm applying Nail Envy as a base coat. I actually have new bottle of Nail Envy, but I still use the old one. I lay the bottle like this, 1 to 80 degrees. I put my hand on a food container when I do my nails. I've been watching lots of nail art videos. I'm so impressed that they film in a beautiful setting. Nice lacy cuff, cute rings. The presentation is great. I think I'm the only person that uses a food container and almost empty bottle. I finished applying Nail Envy. I put covers from a 100 yen store. Although I'm allergic to gel nail, I painted gel on the thumbnail. I couldn't fix the broken nail with regular polish. If something goes wrong, I'll take it off right away. Parado Mini Nail Pink 3M. I love it. It's got such fine glitters in it. A top coat. I'm opening the bottles and leave them on the table. I painted peel-off base coat twice on the thumbnail. I cleaned the base coat with ethanol. I shouldn't apply regular polish on gel nail. I want to match the color with the other nails. I'm applying the pink polish halfway. I'm gonna fade it in the border with the top coat. I'm wiggling it to fade. I'm gonna make gradient. It's hard to fade the pinky. It's so small. Ring finger. I put excess top coat on the silicone mat. I'm gonna clean the top coat on the mat with washi tape after it dries. I'm gonna paint the whole middle fingernail. It looks like the ring finger is cramping up, but it's not. Gradient on the index finger. Now my pinky looks like it's cramping up. Before putting the brush back in the bottle, I clean it on the silicone mat. I'm gonna let them dry for 5 minutes. I start painting it deeper than the first application. I'm fading it with the top coat. I'm gonna start painting my little finger a little bit deeper too. I'm dabbing it to fade the border. By the way, it's been hard for my eyes to focus on my nails. Yeah, I'm getting old. I wear 2 pairs of glasses when I do my nails. I'm painting the whole middle fingernail. I don't think I'm making much gradient on the other nails. I should have painted all the nail without gradient. Well, I'll stick to gradient. I tried to look cool with rings on my finger, but I'm wearing 2 pairs of glasses. It's not cool at all. I'm gonna let it dry for 5 minutes. I decided to paint the upper part because the tip of the nail didn't get colored enough. My right hand is my dominant hand. It's really difficult to move a brush downwards. Going like this is pretty hard, isn't it? But going upwards is rather easy. I'm making the upper part of the pinky nail. I'm trying to go downwards to make a nice gradient. I'm painting about 1/3 from the top. I'm skipping the middle finger and making gradient on the index finger. I tried my best to make a gradation, but I could have painted the whole nails. I'm gonna put an accessory on the thumb. Opère rapid dry. It's curved, so I think it'll fit my nail. Huh. It's not curved enough. I actually tried it on my nail before I painted my nail, and it looked okay, but it's not. I took it off when rapid dry dried. I'm gonna bend it slightly. It looks like now. Put it on an eraser. I'm pressing it with a craft knife. Make sure it's not too bent by checking the curve from time to time. It's curved like this. It's more rounded than before. It fits perfectly now. I'm gonna glue it with Seria VT the next day. Matte coat from a 100 yen store. I'm gonna open the lid and put it aside. I'm applying rapid dry to the pinky. I'm applying the matte coat to the ring finger. I'm applying rapid dry to the middle and index fingers. I'm going to bed now. Good night. I was able to get up without leaving a futon mark. Born Pretty Stamping Mixing Oil. Stamping plate from a 100 yen store. I'll leave a stamper and a plastic card by my side. I'm gonna put chrome powder at hand, as I'm gonna need to work fast. I'm making sure that the plate is facing the right way. After picking it up with a stamper, I work faster than usual stamping. I wonder if stamping went well. I'm gonna rub chrome powder on it. If stamping mixing oil dries out, it won't take chrome powder on it. I guess this is a success. I'm removing the excess powder with washi tape. I think it's working. Foil glue from Temu. I'm gonna open the lid as preparation. I'm gonna open Seria too. I'm gonna leave accessories beside. A DIY stone picker. I'm gonna be needing OPA Rapid Dry too. I've got so much stuff on the table. I'm gonna finish the pinky with sachet. I'm painting foil glue, hoping it'll protect chrome powder from a top coat. It turned out not a good idea later though. I'm applying Seria to finish the middle finger. I'm gonna paint a little Seria after 20 seconds. I hope this helps my nail to look longer. One pearl. One more pearl. I'm adjusting them. I'm finishing the index finger with Seria. I need to put the brush back in the bottle after each application, as the brush is pretty thin. The leopard print on ring finger looks less clear after applying foil glue. I guess foil glue was a bad idea. I'm applying rapid dry. Where is the leopard print gone? I'm applying Seria. I'm gonna place the square accessory before sachet dries. And 2 pearls. Rapid dry. I will reinforce the accessories. I have to do it so many times. I have to do it on the middle finger too. I think a runny top coat works well for this purpose. It sticks to accessories and will get flattened when it dries. I ended up applying rapid dry to the thumbnail. It's difficult to paint. Now I can see the gradation effect better than before. It's finally completed. By the way, the 3D accessories on the left hand all came off before day 3. Then I put them back. They have been on the nails for a week since. The gradient actually looks pretty visible to me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.